I remember those days when I first started grinding money. Never checked the price, it just all came to me. But nowadays I'll be pinching every penny. Five-star dining at my local Denny's. I've been sitting on the curb in your neighborhood, looking at that street light, thinking how I could just get one response, maybe a glance. But the system has its rules about the second chance. Living by the tracks in the barrio keeps my welfare state from the dawn restored. Don't be amazed when you see me out of line. My baseball bat will take care of your grind. Thought I was one, baby, I'm a fool because I've been wrong for years. Ain't it funny how everybody knows but you couldn't imagine what else you could do. I'll be craving that